How to create mood using color and value. Slide 1. What is mood? How can you create it? And why is it important? Slide 2. Mood. In art appreciation, the general atmosphere or state of mind and feelings that a work of art generates. For example, the mood of a painting could be disturbing or tranquil, dark or energetic. Slide 3. How can you create it? Color is one of the most effective ways to create a mood in a work of art. Remember, color is an element of art. Slide 4. Picasso is known for creating a distinct mood during his blue period. How do you think the artist felt about life when he was painting this portrait? Why? Slide 5. Distinct value contrasts in this monochromatic or one color scheme effectively conveys a mood and atmosphere to this painting. Why is value important when creating a mood or emotion to art? Slide 6. Edward Hopper used strong values, remember this is an element of art, to create a mood and theme that was prevalent throughout all his work that reflected the time in which he created them, the Industrial Era and Great Depression. Number 7. Many times, he used only 3 distinct values. Can you separate the 3 main values? Why do you think he did this? 8. What do you think this woman is thinking? What are some emotions that you feel when you look at this painting? 9. Create a dialogue between these 2 characters using the setting, colors, body language, and other clues to decide what might be happening here. 10. What does color mean to you? Are there different emotions for different colors? 11. Pick 4 emotions and create 4 different color swatches that communicate that emotion. Texture, line, pattern, and value can also be used to help convey your message.